And a good day, everyone. I'm Jewel, and this is the J7409 weather forecast. Today, of course, is Tuesday, February 25th, 2020. So much stuff going on, folks. Is your brain scrambled yet? Well, mine gets scrambled at times, so don't feel bad if yours does. I would like to just point out one main thing before I get into everything this morning. I know this coronavirus is upsetting to many people, but it's a psychological thing that's working on you also. Just remember, you have to stay calm in order to think. You have to think to get yourself out of a bad situation. You have to use your better judgment and do what's best for you. So, that's all I'm going to say about that, with the exception, if you would really like a true, honest medical professional's view of things, I suggest that you go watch Dr. John Campbell. Now, he does a great job every day of breaking down everything, and he gives you his opinion of what he actually thinks is going on in these areas. He's traveled all over the world. He has many contacts all over the world, and he talks with these people in different countries each and every day and gets assessments. So I really would like for you, if you want an honest medical view of what's going on of this disease, go watch Dr. John Campbell. He's not going to scare you. He's not going to have conspiracy theories. He's not going to have anything except what is happening with the disease in a medical view. So, with that all said and done, we've got the European model up here. You can see the timestamp down here. And before I get into what's going on today through Thursday, let's jump ahead right quick. You can see I've got this up to February the 28th, which is Friday around 6 a.m. I'm just going to turn it on. There's going to be, now Friday through Tuesday, March 3rd, the first of next week, there's going to be probably some lake effect snow, and it's going to continue into the start of the weekend with broad cyclonic flow around the departed system. Now, some record cold temperatures also, you might as well anticipate them. They may approach the east, even into the south. And I'm talking about down in Florida, some areas down in southern Florida. I'm talking about way down in here. You guys may not even reach 70 degrees. So I just wanted to bring this up to let you guys know that at the end of the week and the first of the next week, this is what you can expect. Now, as we take a look at the categorical outlook for severe weather today, I don't think anything severe so far as tornadoes, downdraft, heavy winds, or hail will happen, but we do have a few strong storms that may produce some strong wind gusts over the northern parts of Florida, and that they may reach into Georgia. I think they'll blow out before they get to South Carolina or North Carolina. But once again, these storms, the few of these storms, they could produce some strong wind gusts over parts of northern Florida, but I don't see any other severe type of events happening with this system as it moves up and moves out. Now, as we take a look at the NAM map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, this is the GFS version of it. You know, folks, February's going to end with a winter storm across the Great Lakes region. And before I even turn this on, a few places, I'm not going to go into inches unless it was something really out of the ordinary, but just take the state of Michigan. When I turn this on, you're going to see we're going to have some snow go through. 60% chance of snow tomorrow and 50% chance of snow tomorrow night. Now, this doesn't mean you're going to get a horrendous snowstorm, but snow is going to occur. Chicago, Illinois, rain turning to snow this evening. and it's going to be windy. Now, snow and windy conditions at 100% for tonight, 90 to 60% of snow and wind tomorrow. If we move on up to around the South China Main area, looking like rain and snow at a 60% chance for tomorrow night. It's going to have rain in it, okay? Then it's going to jump up probably to 100% of the same rain and snow for Thursday. So let's turn this on right quick, and I'm going to tell you what is making these things happen, or what seemed to be making it happen. We have a multifaceted storm system. It's currently evolving across the Midwest and the Ohio Valley this morning. Now, with snow expected to develop from the northeast Missouri area to southern Michigan as the surface low intensifies and a shortwave impulse arrives from the central plains. The greatest snowfall totals are currently expected across southeast Michigan, where you could get 6 inches or greater accumulation will be possible. And then some lighter amounts extending towards the southwest across the central and northern Illinois area and northeast Missouri. Now we got moderate snow along with some light freezing rain that's more than likely across northern New York and northern New England by tomorrow, as I was just telling you folks, and rain near Interstate 95 corridors, what is probably more or less what you can expect. Now, in terms of rainfall potential, the majority of the heaviest rainfall will have exited the coast by Tuesday morning, this morning, with some lingering convection ahead of the front across north central Florida, with perhaps 1 to 2 inches possible through tonight. Now, multiple rounds of light to moderate rain are expected across the northern mid-Atlantic region as the surface low approaches. Now, I haven't had a lot of rain yet, but it's been cloudy all day yesterday, last night, cloudy today, a few sprinkles here or there, but I do think we will get some more rain, so don't forget to take your umbrella with you when you go out. Now, over an inch is expected across parts of Pennsylvania, and then we got a much cooler air mass, and it's going to settle in behind the cold front across the east coast by Thursday. Now, this is going to signal a very cold end to February, as I was telling you guys earlier. End of February, first of next week, gonna have some cold temperatures. Now, elsewhere across the U.S. today, dry conditions are forecast from the Intermountain West to Texas, and also across the upper Midwest, where below normal temperatures are expected. We got some light snow that's more than likely across portions of the central and northern high plains, and also for portions of the northern Rockies and the Cascades. If you are into the weather and like daily weather forecast and all weather-related material, please subscribe, click the bell, and check off all to ensure you get all the latest in weather news, forecasts, watches, warnings, and any weather-related significance coming your way that you need to prepare for. So, with all of that said and done, everybody have a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. I love you all, and thank you for everything you do for me. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching.